Our topic for this video is what are the dangers of a poorly maintained air conditioning system. A well-maintained air conditioning system can provide a broad range of benefits to your home or workplace by controlling the temperature. It can help to keep you relaxed, satisfied, and therefore efficient. Regular maintenance is always important, as a compromised system can have a number of negative effects, some of which are severe and some even catastrophic. We recently visited one such building where maintenance was severely compromised. As you can see on the screen, its extreme bad condition of the equipments. Air conditioning is so important in this region considering the heat and humidity. Also, poor maintenance of air conditioning units may result in the transport of health hazards by the circulating air. Since air conditioning units are an extremely effective way to circulate air throughout a given space, this could mean that any such hazards could be spread throughout the entire place of work, room, or home. Pollutants and contaminants in air conditioning units can contribute and aggravate a variety of different respiratory problems. This includes asthma, allergies, and sinusitis, and nowadays corona, as it has been proved corona is airborne. Dust and dirt often accumulates on the air conditioning machines, which causes small allergenic molecules to be transported around space by circulating air from the air conditioning system. When bacteria, viruses, or fungi, such as molds, enter the air conditioning system, the hazards may become more serious. So how to avoid these problems? The quality of the air conditioning is thus crucial, and regular HVAC maintenance should be mandatory. Since AC is typically the only source of ventilation in a closed area, there is a risk that one contaminated individual may disseminate his or her infection to others in the building. Ultimately, regular HVAC maintenance in Dubai, checking and cleaning is the best way to avoid spreading illnesses. This will guarantee that toxins and disease-causing factors such as bacteria and microorganisms do not have the chance to develop to hazardous levels before they are washed out. Speak to an HVAC expert for information on how to maintain your air conditioning system properly. Given how easy it is to clean up the system, it's a very small price to pay to defend it from any danger. We review and provide a professional advice in the form of a report and recommend experienced contractors who work under our supervision to maintain your air conditioning systems. Call us, act now before it is too late. Thank you and take care from any type of airborne transmission.